Alright, so this is to give you some insight into these unit projects. This is located, if you look across the top, under Course Information, Information about Discussions, TK20 Expectations and Guidelines. There are 3 key assessments that come from these 2 courses. One of them is the math unit, the second one is the science unit, and the third one is something that you're starting this semester, but you'll finish next semester. So let's look through this science unit project. I'm not going to read everything verbatim for you, but you can go in and revisit it. You've created one of your lesson plans already. So what we're asking is that you create at least 5 connected lessons covering approximately 2 weeks, and you're going to put together an annotated bib that explains like what kind of research you came through to come up with this particular plan. You've created one of your math ones already with your EDP lesson. So this just allows you to kind of develop other ones around that concept and with this in mind. Alright, so evidence of teaching, you're required to do a videotape, 25 to 40 minutes. You can splice things together, it's fine as long as it's in 2, and you're writing a reflection on that. Assessment, 2 different types of assessments. At some point you could collect your data, collect some sample data of your students doing the work. That does not have to be in immediately. When we move into community involvement, we've encouraged you throughout the semester to think about different people that could come into your classroom. So within one of those days, you're going to have a community partner who will come in, or you will go visit and allow your students to interact with, who can enhance their understanding of whatever it is you happen to be teaching. The reflection, for the most part, what you're able to reflect upon is your actual teaching. Since you're only doing one lesson and not the full unit, that reflection will have already been completed by the end. So as you go through this, it's the breakdown of kind of how many points are kind of within each section.